Hello, fragrance specialists. My name is Chance. Welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking a look at another essential oil breakdown. Today we're going with a cult classic. We're going with tangerine. Like most citrus oils, this is quite popular. However, I don't know 100% the reasoning behind it, but I find people who use tangerine religiously almost use it exclusively and kind of substitute out all the other citrus-based essential oils, maybe with the exception of lemon and lime, but certainly all the orange-based variants. It really is weird. I don't 100% understand it personally, but I think a lot of people just genuinely swear by it, so maybe that's why. Now, before we dive into its profile, always consult your doctor before use. Just because it's safe to 99% of the people might not mean it's safe to you, so always err on the side of caution. Now let's dive right in. Its scent is most commonly described as having a fresh, citrusy, sweet, and fruity aroma. Its uses are stress-induced insomnia, nervous exhaustion, mild muscular spasms, cellulite, digestive problems, detoxification, flatulence, constipation, body congestion, fatigue, irritability, sadness, and overly anxious. Very cool stuff, covers a huge swath of stuff, which is really nice, and odds are a lot of this is just common stuff that people deal with from time to time. Now, under method extraction, you'll see that it is cold pressed, which isn't too surprising. Most rind-based oils are cold pressed, so take that for what it is. Blends well with bergamot, pink grapefruit, jasmine, lemon, red mandarin, orange, rose, and sandalwood. Under notes, you'll just see possible irritant, really safe overall, but make sure you're being mindful of concentration and, of course, best practices as well. Now let's dive into its history. Tangerines were first grown and cultivated as a distinct crop in the Americas by Major Attway in Palaca, Florida. Attway was said to have imported them from Morocco, which was the origin of the name. Very interesting stuff. Peak tangerine season lasts from autumn to spring. Tangerines are most commonly peeled and eaten by hand. The fresh fruit is also used in salads, desserts, and main dishes, which is pretty awesome. Long story short, has some pretty cool history to it, a little bit of controversy to it, but nothing too egregious, and it's still used commonly today, which of course is a great sign for conservation. Now let's move on to a quick recipe. Today we have another air spray. This one is a Festive air spray. 40 drops cedarwood, 20 drops lavender, 25 drops tea tree, 25 drops lemon, and 30 drops tangerine with 8 ounces of pure water. Put it in a fine mist spray bottle, spritz the room, shake before every use, and that's really about it. That being said, let me know what you think of tangerine down beneath in the comment section. Be sure to mention any thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns you have regarding it. And if you're looking to get your hands on some or restock your current supply, please do consider using Rocky Mountain oils. A link's down beneath in the description. And of course, I hope you all have a wonderful day and may all of your future endeavors smell divine.